Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you all on this session, which is exclusively done for the National Protein Day. So, Protein Day is celebrated globally as well as India to raise awareness about protein as a macronutrient. What are the causes and of the deficiencies that we are seeing protein on a population level? And we also have a protein supplement with 4Life, which is 4Life's Nutra Shake. So, in this session, I am going to take you through what are macronutrients, what is the importance of protein as a macronutrient, what are the what happens if you have protein deficiency, and how we have and we have an ultimate solution for all these major concerns that we are facing. So let me take you through this presentation and this capsule training session in which we are going to speak about 4Life's protein supplement, which is NutraShake, which is a protein supplement with fiber. It has vitamins in it. It has minerals in it, as well as it has soy protein as well as whey protein in it. So before starting about the product, let me take you through a wonderful offer that we are having right now. Okay. So this offer is exclusively on National Protein Day, which is 27th of February. So when you buy one Nutra Shake, you get one Shweka face wash for free, and it's an ultimate combo for strength and beauty. So please go ahead and place your order for this. So this is available on the website also. You can go ahead and buy from the website as well. So this is 4Life's NutraShake, which is a protein supplement with vitamins and minerals. So before speaking about the product, let us let me take you through what are macros. What is what do the macros mean? So macros means something which is required in larger quantity by your body, and nutrients needed in larger quantities are called as macros. Okay, so they have variety of functions from providing energy to metabolism to production of hormones. Apart from this, there are three macronutrients. Number one is carbohydrates. The major function of carbohydrates is providing energy to you from the carbs that we eat on a daily basis. Then we have protein, which the major function of the protein is muscle building. And fat is a protective food, which is also needed in the body on a regular basis. So the word protein comes from a Greek word, which means proteos, which means primary. That means taking the first place. So indicating the importance of the nutrient in the function of the body. This macronutrient is termed as something which takes the first place in the body, as it is the building block of the body. So amino acids are the building block of protein, and human body is made up of a lot of blocks of protein. And protein is comprised of 20 amino acids, out of which 9 are essential. That means you have to consume it via diet or via supplements. So protein is composed of 20 amino acids, 9 are essential. So it provides 4 calories per gram, which is lesser as compared to carbs and fat. So when you look at carbs and fats, they provide you 9 calories per gram. But when you look at protein, it gives you 4 calories per gram. And it is very crucial for nourishment. It is for the nourishment of the overall body. It is really good for renewal. That means the wear and tear of tissues that happens is because of the protein, and it is very important for continuance of life. That is why it is termed as primary or taking the first place. So as Indians, we all eat a diet which is very rich in grains. Most of the Indian population, we are eating too much of grains as compared to the proteins, which is leading to a lot of deficiency of protein that we see today. So what our body is getting, we are eating a lot of processed packaged junk food. Even if we are eating at home, the food that we are eating is high in carbs and low on protein. So what does the body need? The body needs good amount of protein. It needs 1 gram per kg of body weight, 0.8 to 1 grams for an adult. Apart from this, we need protein in all the meals. We need good amount of fiber from fruits and vegetables and very less amount of carbohydrates. So how is protein assimilated in the body? So protein sources are milk, cereals, pulses, dairy products, non-vegetarian items, and as well as eggs. So the digestion process breaks down protein into amino acids, and it supplies for cells, tissues, muscles, and bones. So why our body needs protein? Number one, it's needs for building. So protein is an important building block of bones, muscles, cartilage, and skin. It also helps in, in the immune system function. Then when you look at repair, Repair as a function of protein, your body uses it to build and repair the tissues and keeps your cells in good shape. Apart from this, it also is needed for oxygenation. So red blood cells contain a protein compound called as hemoglobin, which carries oxygen throughout the body. Now, this helps to supply your entire body with the nutrients it needs. Apart from this, protein is also required for digestion. How? So about half of the dietary protein that you're consuming each day, it goes on making enzymes, which aids in digesting the food and making new cells as well as body chemicals. Then it also helps in regulation. Protein plays a very, very important role in hormone regulation. So protein supports human body with weight management also because it boosts metabolism. Because protein increases metabolism by requiring more energy to digest and increase the muscle mass, which burns more calories. So protein, it is boosting metabolism because it requires more energy to digest and increase the muscle mass. Apart from this, it is highly satiating. That means it gives you a feeling of fullness. That means you will not have those hunger pangs if you are having good amount of protein in the diet. Apart from this, it has also highest thermic effect of food. That means calories burned to digest a certain food. So, for example, when you look at processed food, there are very less calories required to digest that food, and it is very high on calories. But when you look at protein, your body requires more and more calories to burn to digest that particular food. That is why protein is high on the thermic effect. So are we eating enough protein? As per the ICMR guideline, 0.8 to 1 grams per kg of body weight is the requirement for the adults. And for athletes, its requirement is 1.2 to 2.2 grams per kg of body weight. But when you look at the data, it is suggesting that Indians are usually, so for example, if you are an adult weighing 60 kgs, you should have approximately 60 grams of protein per day. But so the recommended daily protein intake stands to 60 to 90 grams for Indians, but Indians are usually consuming 10 to 30 grams. Now, this is said by Indian Market Research Bureau, and they are saying that there are 80% of the population is protein deficient. Now, protein deficiency se kya hota hai? It happens, it slows down the metabolism. You have trouble losing weight. There is a lot of fatigue, poor concentration, and mood swings. So one of the key symptoms of lack of protein is weakness and fatigue. The epidemic of lifestyle disease such as central adiposity or belly fat, diabetes, and high triglyceride levels are also a cause of recurrent protein deficiency in the body. Apart from this, now let us look at the product, which is 4Life's NutraShake, which is an ultimate solution for managing your protein needs. So, having a good balanced diet with good amount of protein, exercising daily, as well as adding a protein supplement to your diet can help you in building good muscle mass, managing your weight, and a lot of other things. So NutraShake is a special shake mix which is specialized distinct formulation. It is balanced, it is delicious, and has everything that your body needs on a daily basis because it has a combination of fiber, protein, carbs, it has vitamins, it has minerals that you need in a daily basis. So, for example, when you take a proper meal, you get all those macro and micronutrients. Same way, you're getting those macros and micros via this shake. So, and it only takes minutes to prepare. So, it has high quality sustained release protein, soya protein isolate. So soya protein isolate is a highly refined form of soya protein. It is low in fat and carbs, and it is a complete protein source and can aid in muscle building as well as recovery. So we also have whey protein concentrate in it, and it is a protein which is derived from milk. It is quickly absorbed in the body and is rich in amino acids and can promote muscle growth as well as repair. Apart from this, we have inulin and soy fiber in it. Now, inulin is a type of dietary fiber that can promote gut health, and it also aids in digestion. So it also helps in regulating the blood sugar levels as well as it supports weight management. Then we have soy fiber. It is a fiber which is derived from soya beans. Now, this is also which can aid in digestion. It also promotes bowel regularity. And then we have fructose in it in the form of natural sugar, which is extracted from fruits and honey. It's a sweetener that is low on the glycemic index, and it provides a good source of energy also. So it ensures that a release of protein energy for long hours. It helps you in feeling of fullness, and it is really good for supporting the satiety and help maintain healthy blood sugar as well. Now it has 12 essential vitamins and 8 minerals. So minerals, when you see in this product, we have potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and zinc. Now all these minerals are added to provide various health benefits, because all these minerals, if you see in synergy, they help in maintaining electrolyte balance, really good for the bone health, promoting the function of enzymes and antioxidants in the body. Now, when you look at vitamins, it has vitamin C, E, A, B3, vitamin B5, it has vitamin D, it has B6, B2, B1, and B9, K1, and B12 as well. And now all these vitamins are added to provide essential nutrients for overall good health and well-being, and all of these have their specific roles in the body also. Apart from this, when you look at vitamin C and E, they act as powerful antioxidants. That means they're going to neutralize the free radicals in the body. So some of the nutrients in this are really good for the immunity as well. Apart from this, it's a very good low fat formulation, and it has extensive PDCA score number 1 for easier digestion and better absorption. Now, what is PDCA score? Now, it is protein digestibility corrected amino acid score. So PDCA's number 1 is means when you are, given a title of PDCA score number 1, it means that it is a scientific way to evaluate the digestibility and the quality of amino acids in a protein supplement. So the highest PDCA score is number 1, meaning that the product is more digestible and has high quality of amino acids in the body. Who can use this? Those aiming for weight management, fitness enthusiasts, as well as adults and elderly who are seeking to supplement their protein and essential nutrient intake. How to consume? For weight maintenance, replace 1 meal per day with this shake and 2 nutritionally balanced meals. For general good health, you can enjoy 1 shake a day. You can also use it as a pre and post workout meal. So how best to enjoy NutraShake? Mix 1 level scoop to 180 to 200 ml of milk. Then mix it. You can also mix it with water. It is better to add it to your milk because the fat soluble vitamins get better absorbed with this. So you have to prepare a shake or a smoothie and you can consume it. The best way to wish to enjoy the goodness of NutraShake is you can have it in your snacks. You can have it as a shake, which pre and post workout. You can use it for weight maintenance, and you can use it as a healthy snack as well. So this was all about NutraShake Vanilla. Thank you very much for attending this session. And I hope you raise awareness about protein, its deficiencies, and the benefits of protein to more and more people. And with this, again, I wish you a happy protein day. Thank you very much, everyone.